26.
The ingredients are bread, cheese, Oreo, milk, and sprinkle.
Put the bread in the cup.
After that, sprinkle the Oreo crumbs on top of the bread.
Then press the bread back on top.
Tekan.
Adding more Oreo crumbs.
And then pour milk in the inside.